What if the most used tool in your kitchen could be upgraded to save you time, water, and even a little bit of sanity? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are counting down the 5 best kitchen faucets that will completely transform your cooking and cleaning experience. From budget-friendly workhorses to high-tech touchless marvels, we have tested them all to find the perfect match for every kitchen and every lifestyle. Stick around until the end to discover which industrial-style faucet delivers heavy-duty performance without breaking the bank. And before we turn on the water, make sure to check the description below for all the buy links to these incredible faucets, and do not forget to hit that like button, share this with your fellow home renovators, and subscribe so you never miss a gear review. Starting at number 1, we have the Moen Adler Standard Kitchen Sink Faucet, and we are naming this the best to buy overall. This faucet picks functionality over style, embracing simplicity and practicality with durable construction, efficient water functions, and a detachable sprayer with a comfortable reach. Ideal for compact spaces and those who appreciate minimalist aesthetics, it delivers reliable performance without unnecessary frills. We recommend this Moen Adler for its reasonable pricing and impressive build quality, and by simplifying the details, the manufacturer reduces the material needed for construction, which leads to lower production costs while emphasizing its space-saving design. When we evaluated it against other popular options, it delivers average water output with relatively weak input at 40 psi and works perfectly at normal pressure between 50 and 60 psi. All movements, including those of the body, handle, and 23-inch extending ball-jointed sprayer head, feel effortless and well-weighted, and as the cherry on top, you can clean the entire faucet quickly thanks to its streamlined design. Moving on to number 2, the Moen Arbor MotionSense 7594E Sink Faucet takes the crown for the best true touchless experience. With 2 motion sensors, premium build quality, and convenient features, this design brings plenty of utility to the kitchen and is definitely worth considering. If you like the look but not the electronic features, the Arbor 7594 with a more conventional design should be more suitable. The Moen Arbor 2 sensor has for years been the top choice for touchless control, featuring MotionSense, which combines a presence sensor at the base that activates water flow when it senses movement and a motion sensor on top of the curve that controls water with simple gestures. This pull-down faucet has beautiful craftsmanship, with a polished sprayer and dense body construction, and the sprayer extends and retracts rather satisfyingly, reflecting the product's attention to detail. The auto switch function returns the sprayer to stream mode every time the water is on, and there is an automatic shut-off feature integrated with the sensors that kicks in after 2 minutes of inactivity to save water. Number 3 on our list is the Delta Essa Touch 209113T DST pull-down faucet, and this is our pick for the best mid-range hands-free option. Combining elegant appearance with practical functions, this faucet enjoys high-end build quality and a long extendable sprayer head, with versatile touch control that suits a variety of settings, while its temperature-indicating LED and magnetic docking enhance the overall functionality and appeal. The Delta Essa is a versatile faucet with quality craftsmanship and hands-free operation that is incredibly useful in a busy kitchen, with a sprayer that has a long, comfortable reach and is integrated with magnetic docking that secures it firmly in place. There is also an LED temperature indicator that changes color from blue to red as the water temperature rises, adding a futuristic touch to your daily routine. While the Essa does have a few drawbacks such as a more complex installation process than average, it is effective with what it offers, and the auto shut-off function automatically cuts the water after 4 minutes to ensure minimal wastage. Now, moving on to number 4, the Kraus Bolden KPF 1610 Kitchen Faucet stands out as the best commercial-style option. This faucet is more functional than it is pretty and is one of the most popular choices for a commercial-style model, offering nothing too extravagant besides durable construction, effective water functions, and a responsive neck, making it perfect for those who enjoy utility-driven minimalistic design. Beyond its bold aesthetics, this Kraus faucet catches the eye with its streamlined construction, and it is even more impressive hands-on, featuring a sprayer head with a function switch that uses pressure triggering to put the water in stream mode every time it is turned on. The retraction feels well-weighted and satisfying, though the docking arm scratches the head quite easily if you are not careful. Unlike whole-body models, faucets with a coil neck have a much wider range of motion thanks to the bending, but they are much more difficult to keep clean due to the gaps that allow food particles to get through quite easily. Finally, at number 5, we have the Fapully Commercial Kitchen Faucet, and this is our pick for the best industrial design on a budget. If you have the space for a commercial kitchen faucet, this is one of the most resident-friendly models with one-hole installation and is a current bestseller on Amazon. The design is nothing if not to highlight functionality, featuring a robust metal construction and ample output pressure. This faucet features a bold multi-outlet layout that resembles fully commercial faucets, and it is also designed for low water pressure, allowing flow to reach 1.6 gallons per minute at 40 psi with ease. Besides its responsive spring neck sprayer, the faucet includes a conventional spout that is compatible with water filters and portable dishwashers, adding versatility to your kitchen setup. In terms of construction, the faucet uses stainless steel for most details, but its overall build is not incredibly impressive, as even though the sprayer swivels effortlessly, the middle spout is noticeably stiff and janky at times. Also keep in mind that the body is not well isolated, causing it to heat up considerably when running hot water. And there you have it, the 5 best kitchen faucets to upgrade your sink and elevate your daily routine. Whether you are chasing high-tech touchless convenience or rugged commercial style, there is a faucet on this list for every kitchen and every budget. All the buy links for these incredible faucets are waiting for you in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. If you enjoyed this review, please smash that like button, share this video with your fellow home improvers, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.